Today I'll be teaching you how to use OpenCode Go. Now, OpenCode Go is a low-cost coding plan that is very cheap. It's only $5 for the first month. Then it will be $10 per month. And when you subscribe to OpenCode Go, you gain access to powerful models like GLM, Qwen, Kimi, MiMo, MiniMax, and DeepSeek. So OpenCode Go is one of the most value for money coding plans today because even at $10 per month, you're actually able to use up to $60 per month of usage. So you're paying $10, but the value you get is actually up to $60. So after you subscribe to OpenCode Go, when you log in, you can check how much usage you have left. So there's rolling usage, which will reset every 5 hours. And then there's weekly usage, which resets every week. And then there's monthly usage, which will reset every month. So the monthly usage will show you the total amount of usage that you have left. So obviously the goal is you want to use up all 100% to make full use of your $5 for your first month. Now, after you subscribe to OpenCode Go, you can also invite your friends. So you can earn $5 when a friend subscribes, and they will also get $5 too. So it's a win-win situation. So you can get your referral link and then you share with them, which is what I did. I put my referral link in the description and comments below. So if you join, then we will both get $5 usage credit that we can use for OpenCode Go. So it's an extra bonus. Next, let me show you how to set up and connect OpenCode Go. So in OpenCode, you type /connect. So it's connect provider. I press enter. Then I go down to OpenCode Go. I press enter. And here I can put in my API key. So I go back to the OpenCode website. Then on the left, I click on API keys. Then by default, you should see an API key over here. If you don't, just click on create API key. So here I just write example, then I click on create. Then I can copy my API key. I click on this to copy. Then I go back to OpenCode. Then I paste it in. Then I press enter. Then I can start using models from OpenCode Go. And if I want to switch models, I can type /models. I hit enter. And you can see all these models that have OpenCode Go on the right. I can use all of these. So if I go down under OpenCode Go, I can use any of these models here as well. Now, if you're using the OpenCode desktop app, here's how to set up and connect OpenCode Go. So if you go to the left, you can click on Connect Provider. Then from here, you can select OpenCode Go. Then you put in your API key. Now, if you don't see this Connect Provider over here, you can go to your settings in the bottom left corner. Then you click on Providers on the left. Then you can see OpenCode Go. You click on Connect. Then you put in your API key. Then you click on Continue. Then you can see OpenCode Go connected. So now when I open project, I can choose my model by clicking below. And I can now use all the models from OpenCode Go over here. So if you want to subscribe to OpenCode Go, look below this video. The link is in the description and comments.